This is the elevator at the Workforce Sustainability Center at ICC in East Peoria, Illinois. It's a newer TKE elevator. With quite the motor. Let's go to 2. Is this what the problem? Oh no, I've seen this thing be strange. No? Okay. Oh, there it goes. Very weird indicator too. This thing sometimes has issues with the door. So I was wondering if that was going to be it. But clearly not. Basic stainless steel cab. Not bad by any means, though. It's your directional arrows. We've got 2 of them in here. Interesting indicator. Sometimes it decides to work, sometimes not. Toll buttons. Love these. I think that they're quite pretty. It's your phone down there. 4,500 pound capacity. There she is. And exterior lanterns. There it goes, and that's it.